Hi everyone, Silver Stack Magician here, turning paper into precious metals with a Scottsdale silver unboxing. Now, this is the box that it originally came in, right here. And these are the 3 boxes that came inside it. So, I pre-opened it and everything just to make it a lot easier since I don't have any fancy software to speed up the video or anything like that. So, I do this in one shot, so you work with what you got, and that's what I'm doing. And as pre-requested, like I said, I pre-opened them and everything. And also, I did mention that it's a Scottsdale unboxing, and probably that's what the title will be. But I got this from eBay, so I placed some bids on eBay, and I didn't think I was gonna win, and I won, and I actually won 3 bids. So let's get into them and see what I got. Okay, and I took a little peek in this one, and I'm gonna open this one because this one's gonna be pretty cool. I did ask for, there's nothing in there. I did ask for a Scottsdale bag since this was a fairly big order, and I got it, and I'm quite pleased with it. It looks really cool, and it's actually inside the bag, so let's take a look and see what's inside. Silver, of course. I guess I'm gonna have to get the knife out here. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. So, alright. Oop, where'd it go? There it is. Alright. So, that is Scottsdale Stacker Bar. This is they're 10 ounce. Very nicely done. I did a video on this and the Atmix one. Did a comparison, and I mean, this one looks really good. So, and there should well, actually, that's kind of odd. One, there should have been 2, but okay. So I guess that'll be separate in another box, hopefully. Let's see. Like I said, it was a pretty big order, so let's see what this one has inside it. Alright, that one's empty. Okay, this one should be, okay, yeah, okay, cool, they mixed them together. Alright, so let's open this up. And this one looks like it has actually tape inside it, so just take the knife real quick and open that up. There we go. Oh man, there it is. What do you think? Stuck together. 2 more. Alright. Very nice. So we'll just put those in the screenshot. There we go. Put that right there. And this one's nicely taped as well. So again, we'll use the knife. Open it up. Now, I like to keep my videos short so that they don't drag on too much, so you guys have time to watch them, quick little watch, something entertaining. But it's gonna take a little bit longer. Look at that. 2 more. Alright. Put those right there next to the other ones. And Open this one up. Fun, fun, fun. Alright. Like I said, I mean, I put some bids in, and like I said, I didn't think I was going to win, so when I won, I was actually kind of shocked, and so I was like, wow. So, check that out. 2 more, and they stack really nicely. It just interlocked with each other, like, really nice. Not even falling down. There he goes. Alright, put that right there. Got one more. Now, silver did go up a little bit. I was buying it when it was, well, I was placing my bids when it was below the $16 mark, so, I mean, it's went up a little bit, so it's not bad, so pretty happy with my purchase. Just so that you guys know, I got these, the price of the silver was around, for all of it, it's around $17.78 an ounce. So, I mean, not bad price, especially for Scottsdale products. Look at that. Now that is the 1 kilo. So, nice little chunky bar. Look at that. Cool, right? So, that's another one to add to the stack. Let's see, focus into the back. Focus, focus. Thank you. Alright. Too much. Back it up. There we go. It's got the little serial number at the bottom right here. Made by Scottsdale Mint. Little line in the back. Very nice bar. Very nice chunky bar. Put that in the frame. So yeah, guys, check it out. Big order, like I said. I mean, very nice. Very happy with the order. I think I got 2. I placed a bid on. It was a kilo by itself. Then it was 5 10-ouncers. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one bidding, and then the 2 right here in another bid. So I mean, yeah, it's really cool that I got them all. Let's put them on this little bag right here. It's for fun. Put that one right there in the middle. Stack that one. So there you go. So a little over 100 ounces. So not bad to add to the stack. Quite a bit, but well worth it. Better than keeping it just in the bank, you know. So, like I said, very happy. Let's stack them up real quick. Let's have some fun real quick. Why not, right? Might as well. And I'm gonna be stacking these later. Wow. Having some fun. Probably mixing them with the other ones that I have. Look at that. Compared to the kilo. Kilo's like the 3 to the 10 ouncers. Plus like 2 ounces, 2 point something. Very nice. And then of course, you can add the kilo. It won't stack right, but I mean, there it is. Scottsdale silver, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe if you like. And also, yeah, I want to take the time to thank all my viewers who give me thumbs up, you know, or comment on it, my videos. You know, thank you. And for those who don't, you know, who are just watching, I appreciate that too, you know. So, you know, don't think I don't appreciate it. I really do. So, thanks everyone for watching. Who likes, you know, who's watching the video. All right. So, Stick Magician out. Keep on stacking, everyone.